this is also one of the power supplier,
Yes.
but almost we are using for 12 voltage, Ju-knee voltage. Okay. Before use this power supplier, also the cable have to be disconnected.
Yes.
Okay. Don't connect before setting adjust the voltage.
Okay.
Okay. So cable is disconnected, and then the power consent is plugged in. Okay, let's see how is the working. No, this is the main switch.
Yes.
So it's written, the on is where. So I will turn on. Then last time we will use the 12 voltage, this power supply.
Yes.
That's the why this power supply is gauge, voltage gauge is adjusted with around the 12 voltage.
Yes.
But every time it can be, the value can be different. So we have to
Just it.
adjust it. But when you adjust it, the most of difficult thing is like this type is the digital type, but this is the analog type. So if we look at this side, then the value can be different.
Yes.
And if we look at this side, this direction, then value maybe showing as a small value.
Yes.
So most of important thing is like you have to check it from the direct direction,
Yes.
direct direction. Using so our eyesight have to be matching with this needle. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Even the head is also have to be rotated a little. So our eye balance should be matched with this needle, and then check it. Then we can adjust it exactly. Okay? As like this, before use this power supplier,
Yes.
we have to adjust this voltage, and second thing is the ampere. This ampere is very difficult to adjusting. The reason is like according to how many system we are using, according to that condition, this ampere have to be adjusted. But fortunately, every time we are using the same system, so we don't have to check it the ampere of each system. And here, the yellow tape is marked. So we just need to adjust this value. Then for our system, the ampere is matching automatically. Okay.
Yes.
But one thing, what you have to be careful is like in every condition, never adjust this value over the taping.
Okay.
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 We never use in any condition. We never use this ampere over this value. Okay. So if the ampere is adjusted with low, then system is not working. It can be worked. It can be stopped automatically. But on this condition, there is no any especially there is no problem.
Yes.
The reason is that it cannot be burned or any unknown situation cannot be occurred. But if the ampere is adjusted with higher, then system can be broken. That's the why I pointed out never adjust this value over this marked part.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So every time we have to check it. So just a little bit small is okay. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
If you have no confidence, then just when you're adjusting the value, give the point less than this marked one. Then there is no problem. Okay? After checking this one, every time before connecting the cable, we have to turn off the switch. Okay? This is the important thing. Before cable connecting, every time, even this power supply also, before cable connecting, we have to turn off this switch. Otherwise, during the connecting, the system can be burned by spark or some other. Okay, and then this 12 voltage power supply. Although there is two, anyone is okay.
Yes. Yes.
And don't use that another like a
Yes.
adapter.
Yes.
So it means like please bring that. Careful thing is like this is for only 12 pole voltage.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
If you connect this connector, then also system can be burned.
Yes.
Okay. So that is only for 24 voltage. So the reason is like the cable is as you can see is connected with direct type, but this is the parallel type.
Yes. Yes.
So even we use another cable instead of this cable, for this is also okay.
Yes.
There is no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the parallel type, and this 24 is direct type.
Okay.
Just to distinguish on this model. And then after the connecting, we can turn on the switch.
After the connect.
After the connecting,
Okay.
the reason is like during the connecting moment, the spark. If the power is like on turn on, then system can be broken. So always before connecting, just to check the ampere adjusting or voltage adjusting, and then turn off the switch, and then connecting, then turn on.
Okay.
This is the important thing. Of course, disconnecting is also same. Before disconnecting, we have to turn off the switch. Or this supplier is also okay, and then disconnect the cable and check it. And also, I recommend to give the zero. The
Okay.
reason is like next time we are not sure
Okay.
which machine will be used for this power supplier.
Okay.
So every time after using, don't forget to make a zero voltage. Even this digital type is also
Okay.
okay. This is the important thing. And especially this analog type's merit is like we can check it before connecting. We can check it how is the voltage adjusted. But this digital type, we are not sure. Last time, like how many voltage we were used. So every time before connecting, we have to check the voltage and ampere adjusting. Okay, this is the important thing of uses of this power supplier. And
For this one, we also need to adjust the ampere
ampere is automatically
Adjusted.
supported.
automatically.
Uh-huh.
But here
Adjusted.
we need to do it manually.
Yes, manually.
Okay.
So when you use this power supplier, digital type power supplier, you can check it. The ampere is how it's changing. So, for example, for the future, when you have some problem on this power supplier, then you cannot know how much ampere is required for this system, isn't it? That time you can check it by this power supplier. But according to like a system working, the ampere can be changed. So that time we can use please bring the voltage meter.
Yes.
Yes. So in general, we are using this voltage meter by this ampere. Okay.
Okay.
But anyway, the way how to check it, there is two. One is by this ampere meter,
Yes.
and second is like by this power supplier.
Yes.
And if you push any this button, then the setting is changed. So I strongly recommend don't touch any other button, push types, except this yellow one.
Okay.